Hi everyone, I wanted to make this flip video about making flipped videos. So here we go. I'm going to show you two different tools that you could use and you can decide which one you think is cool and which one works for you. Here we are in Chrome, and these are kind of browser-based, web-based tools, although one of them you can download as well. I'm going to start with Snagit. Snagit is a Chrome extension. You see I've got it sitting up here in the toolbar. It's called Snagit Chrome. So if you want to go and get it, you just got to go to the Chrome Web Store. So I will Google here, Chrome Web Store. There it is there. And let's search for Snagit. S-A-S-N-A-G-I-T. Okay, so you can see that I've already added this extension to my browser. It's called TechSmith Snagit. So if this is you doing this for the first time, it'll just say add to Chrome here. So add it to Chrome, and then once you do that, you're going to have it sitting here always whenever you're logged into Chrome. So if I click this here, I get a little bit of a uh-oh, but that's okay. You can either capture a image or capture a video. When I choose video, I get two different options. Either it will record the entire screen, or it will just record this window here, this Google Chrome window. So I'm going to get it to record the entire screen and click on share. And right now it is creating that screencast as we speak. Okay, so I'll just do some stuff here. Open a new website so you can see it working. And down the bottom here I'm going to go to stop sharing. Okay, so here's the video that I made. Let's watch it. Wow. So you can see me doing all the stuff there. Okay, cool. So I can name this test video. Alright, looks great. And if we can send that video straight off to YouTube. Now YouTube is the place where I send all my videos. The main reason is that video files are big, and I don't want them sitting on my computer taking up lots of space. So I send everything off to YouTube. It's then stored there, and I don't have to worry about space or anything like that. If you want to download the videos later, you can. You can always download your own videos from YouTube easily. So I would just send this video straight off to YouTube, or I could share this video directly from Google Drive. So get a link so people can see this video directly now. So on the screencast, I could have done everything that I'm doing now. It doesn't give you a lot of the more advanced features, but you'll be able to show whatever is on your screen. So I'm just going to send this off to YouTube. We'll call it test video, description, test Snagit. And the privacy I'm going to set to private for now. Or I could make it unlisted. So unlisted just means that no one will be able to see it unless they have the link. Public's obvious, anyone will be able to search for it. If they put in test video, it would come up. And in private, no one would be able to see it. Okay, so I'm going to share that. And that will go ahead and share that 24-second video off to YouTube. And you can see it's also put a URL on my clipboard, so I could then put an email or something in Sector and put this video on there. So that is Snagit Chrome. You can see how easy it was, and that's why I like these tools, is that they're really easy. So you can get set up on your screen anything that you want to show or demonstrate, or anything, a video, and just go for it and talk, and Snagit Chrome will do the rest. Second thing that I want to show you, and this is more powerful, is called Screencast-O-Matic. So if you Google Screencast-O-Matic, the first link here will get you there. So Screencast-O-Matic, again, you can actually download a bit of software that goes on your computer that'll do that, or you can get kind of started straight away. Okay, here we are. So the application's launched, and this looks very similar on Mac or on PC. If you want to make the frame bigger, let's say I want to record the whole screen, so I'm going to widen this thing out so it captures everything on the screen, or you can confine it to just a small window. Might not want to get the taskbar down at the bottom now. So now let's look at the options here. So we want the screen, we want the webcam as well, so that means it will be able to get it of your face, just the webcam, or just the screen, or you could choose both. So it's going to use the webcam and your screen, okay? The maximum time for the basic functions, the one that you don't have to pay for, is 15 minutes. The size is fine. You can make it 720p or just the size of the screen, which we've just done, that's fine. Narration, so when you're on your computer, it should find your internal microphone. I'm using, this is running on my Mac, so it won't find it because I'm actually using the microphone for my Mac. And it also can record the computer audio, so anything that's playing on the computer as well. So you've also got some options here for keys that you can use to record, to pause while you're recording, count down, all that sort of stuff. So have a look at all those settings, and then you just click on record. Okay, now that I've finished my screencast down here, I just clicked on the pause button. I can keep going if I want to, so I can click continue where I went off. So this is a good way if you want to pause, go back, you can do that. And I'm going to click on done. Here's my screencast. Now notice that we don't have any sound because I'm doing this on the Windows side. So this is me going through, and I'll just fast forward. You can see that we can see everything that I did on there. Now within Screencast-O-Matic, I can crop the ends. So I might want to get rid of the first 10 seconds or the first 15 seconds or whatever. So I can just crop in from either side. Now, it's asked me, what do you want to do with this recording? That's a good question. So what do we want to do with this recording? I'll pause here. Here's my options. Save it as a video file, so that will download the file to your computer. Upload to the Screencast-O-Matic, that's not one that I do. I'll upload to YouTube again, that's the one that I'm going to go for. I'm going to upload this video to YouTube. That's where it's going to go, and that's takes care of all of the size issues of videos. You could save it as a video file if you wanted to keep it, but I would go for uploading it to YouTube. So what it's going to do is try and connect with your YouTube account. Again, your YouTube account is school username and school password. Check with me or check with Spiro if it doesn't work. But if you just sign in, if you're just in Chrome and you've already signed into something, if you just go to youtube.com and go to my channel, you should be able to sign in. Let's do that. So I'm going to go to youtube.com. I'm going to go to sign in up in the top right here. And because I've signed in over here, actually signed in to Chrome, and I've got my email open here, it automatically opens up my YouTube channel, and I can go to my channel. It goes home first, and then go my channel, and I can see all of the videos that I have uploaded. And we go home, we go videos. So these are all the videos that I've uploaded. You can see that test video is there already, so we can have a look at that. My playlist that I've used, etc., etc. So let's look at the video that I just uploaded using Snagit. Okay, there it is on YouTube. So you can publish that to the world if you wanted to. There it is. You remember that quick video that I made. So there it is. I've got a little plugin installed in the browser that allows me to go straight to Edpuzzle from here, which is great. Okay, so once I've got this video in here, I can go straight, edit with Edpuzzle, that will just go straight to the editor, which is really cool. Video Manager, I don't know all the stuff that, if you know about all the stuff that you can do within YouTube to your videos, which is really, really cool. So here, with this test video that I've done, you can see I've got download MP4, can add subtitles, annotations, audio, enhancements. There's all kinds of things I can do. So let me go back to the edit thing and just show you that quickly. I might decide that I want to change the thumbnail on there. Okay, so enhancements, you've got original and preview, so they can light, contrast, temperature, blurring effects, automatically blur faces. You can add filters to your video, which is really cool. I can, if I want to, add annotations, so I can put a title up here on the screen. If there's something that you've got wrong in the course of doing your screencast, you could clarify it in here. So speech bubble, a note, a title, spotlight. There's a lot of really powerful things you could do here. So just add a note. Be careful here. Something like that. I can customize the font, the fill. I can say exactly when it's going to apply. So if I go down here in the editor, I can change where it starts and where it finishes, etc. You can see there it is up there on the screen. I can put it exactly where I want it on the screen. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. So you can add annotations and notes all over your screencast, which is great. So there's a lot of editing that you can do on your video. I'm just going to apply those changes now. That would be a real enhancement to the video on YouTube.